Florida woman files lawsuit against sheriff's office, alleging mishandling of her abuse case. Polk County, Florida. A 22-year-old woman named Taylor Cadle has filed a lawsuit against the Polk County Sheriff's Office, Sheriff Grady Judd, and investigator Melissa Turnage, claiming that authorities mishandled her case and failed to take proper action when she reported serious allegations as a child. According to court documents, Taylor alleges that when she was 9 years old, her adoptive father, Henry Cadle, began abusing her. The alleged abuse continued for several years, during which she says she repeatedly tried to seek help. Before being adopted, Taylor had lived in foster care, but says her suffering began after moving into Henry's custody. The lawsuit states that when Taylor reported the abuse to authorities in 2016, her claims were dismissed, and she was accused of lying. It further alleges that she was pressured into writing apology letters to both her adoptive father and local law enforcement officials, an experience she describes as deeply traumatic. Court filings also claim that officials returned Taylor to her adoptive home, despite her repeated warnings and fear for her safety. Later, after she presented photographic evidence, her adoptive father was arrested and eventually convicted on charges involving a minor. In response, the Polk County Sheriff's Office has described the lawsuit as a publicity stunt, maintaining that its investigation was handled appropriately. Taylor's legal team argues that her experience reflects a larger systemic issue, one in which survivors are often met with disbelief and discouragement rather than protection and justice. She is now seeking compensatory and punitive damages and says she plans to use her voice to advocate for others who feel their cases were ignored. Legal analysts say the case could reignite debate about law enforcement accountability, child protection procedures, and victims' rights in Florida's justice system.